I hope the audio is good. I don't know. I think it is. That is so good. Stream. Tech Friends Stream. Welcome to Tech Friends Stream. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We do AI. We love tech. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I feel bad for TikTok. You guys are missing out on this. Alright. Wait, you might be able to hear it like here. No. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm streaming on my MacBook here, so apologies for everyone on TikTok. You should be on YouTube. Check these. Stream.
Welcome to Tech Friends Stream. Tech Friends Stream. Welcome to Tech Friends Stream. We do AI. We love technology.
Yeah.
We can code. We do everything.
Welcome.
Tech Friends Stream.
Welcome to Tech Friends Stream. Tech Friends Stream.
We do AI. We love technology.
Yeah.
We can code. We do everything. Tech Friends Stream. Welcome to Tech Friends Stream. We do AI. We love technology.
Thank you guys. Thank you, Cloud.
Code. We do everything.
The intro music.
Tech Friends Stream. Welcome to
Tech Friends Stream.
We do AI.
It sucks how everything else is just so blurry though on TikTok.
We can
So
code.
bad.
We do
I don't think
everything.
there's much I can do about that.
Tech Friends
Let's
Stream.
put the camera here.
Welcome to Tech Friends Stream.
Yeah,
We
do
do
that.
AI.
Or
We
here.
love technology.
It's actually probably better.
We can code. We do everything. Tech Friends Stream.
Yeah.
Welcome to Tech Friends Stream.
Tech Friends Stream. Alright guys, welcome to Tech Friends Stream. I have a new setup here. Oh, I have a new setup here, so just testing some things out. We did this last stream as well. We were on the MacBook. So it kind of sucks for TikTok, but I think it's good for everyone else because I can now run local models without lagging my computer too badly. Yeah, it's just really sucky on TikTok. I'm sorry, TikTok friends. Hold on, maybe if I... Okay, that's a bit better. Let me just... Okay, first I just want to make sure that the audio is good, so I'm just gonna... Okay, that's a bit better. Yeah, that is pretty good. Okay, yep, that's good. Let's have a recap of what we did last Open Interpreter stream. Where is that? Live here. Where I think we do a conclusion.
Oh, did I close on Studio? Big companies to save money, I guess, essentially.
So pretty much we created a few PowerShell scripts to help Open Interpreter create versions of itself in a new window, like spawn a child. And then the spawn child continuously reads from this JSON file, which we were going to store messages to so they could talk between each other, the child and the parent. That was kind of what we did last stream. Now, I'm not sure if I'll continue this stream. One thing I kind of want to do this stream is focusing on improving the browsing capabilities of OpenAI. I mean, sorry, Open Interpreter. I always get that mixed up watching back my VODs. So, yeah. I'm not sure if it was this stream, but I figured out that you can actually get Selenium to copy your profile Oh man, that is loud. Dur, thank you for the sub. I don't know how to turn that particular thing down. Alert. Is there a way to turn down the sound of just one thing? Yeah. Thanks for the sub, Alex. Yeah, I'm not sure how to turn the sound down for a browser source. How do you do that? Juan, thanks for the sub. I don't know. I'm just gonna... Wait. That actually might be through here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That is... Wait, that sound doesn't even come through. Thanks for the sub, Varza. Okay. Before I start, let me just tell the Discord fam that we're on. Juan again, thank you for the sub. Does Miniconda work rather than Anaconda 5B? 5GB? How do I link my own live? What did I miss here? Thanks for the sub. Sorry, I missed your name. Okay. Damn, I can't read these. Francisco, thank you for the sub. Francisca, my bad. Can you give advice on how to run your own model on your laptop? Yes, use LM Studio. It's a really easy to use app. Edward, thanks for the sub. What's JSON? JSON is JavaScript object notation. It's like how you define objects in JavaScript. Kurus, thanks for the sub. And let me tell everyone I'm live. Okay, we good. Oh, we got a message from Mike. What's he saying? Okay, no worries. No worries. Yes, so browsing. Let's open up Open Interpreter. Oh yeah, one thing I actually want to do. So I use PowerShell because I'm on Windows. Yo, Paris Hilton, what's up with the stream? Sorry, I'm streaming off my phone because I'm actually streaming. It's a really complicated setup. Well, not too complicated. I'm streaming from my Windows computer to my MacBook so I don't get lag on my Windows. But there's no TikTok Live Studio app on Mac, so I'm just streaming the Windows. I'm just streaming off my phone. I don't know, it sucks. But if you go on YouTube, you'll get the Mac experience. Pash, what's up? What's the plan for today? I think the main goal is actually I should probably write this down. Let's open up file, open folder, AJOI. Okay. I'm gonna create a new file. I'm gonna call it today's plan. There's one thing, get open interpreter to extend my, there's a thing called a PowerShell profile that is run every time you run PowerShell. It kind of runs that script. So that's one thing I want to do. And the second thing is to experiment and improve web browsing capabilities of Open Interpreter. Oh, I'm just going to call it OI. We're going to save that into just notes.md. And I think we can view this kind of nicely. Yeah. Why isn't this? There we go. And I can't open that by itself. That's fine. Open that like this, put that there. There we go. Okay. That's today's plan. And let's get to it. Let's get to the first thing that I want to do. Elephanta says capture card not option. No, so I am using a capture card, but it's into my Mac. The issue is the Mac doesn't have the TikTok Live Studio, if that makes sense. Or is there something I'm missing? I don't have another good, like, I need a good Windows streaming dedicated computer so I don't have to use my laptop. But for now, we're just using the laptop. It's fine. Thanks for all the likes, guys, by the way. Okay. So the first thing is to try get Open Interpreter to extend my PowerShell profile. So if you have a look at my profile, I think I can just write profile here. Oh, that gives you the location. Does cat work on PowerShell? Let's see. There we go. So this is what my profile looks like. There's two functions that I've defined. Whisper, which activates and runs Whisper. And then I gave an alias for that function called WSP. So every time I run WSP, it runs this function, which just activates Whisper. So it's an easier way for me to run Whisper on a file. And I have a very similar one for Open Interpreter. So if I type OIS, it runs Open Interpreter from source. And it also runs it in my Conda environment. So that's really helpful for me because it doesn't work outside of my Conda environment because all the dependencies are installed in there. And it runs with a max output of 3000, which is just 1000 more from the default. Now, how I want to extend this is to be able to pass flags into my alias functions. So I'm pretty sure the way this works at the moment is I can't go OIS -- like, you know, what's a function like API base or what's it called? Base URL equals XYZ. I'm pretty sure that doesn't work. Yo, Neoxit says, ask Pythagora to help you. It will do everything for you. Programming is depressed work all day on PC for money. That's why there's already AI. Yeah, well, I'm not actually programming anything yet. I'm doing Open Interpreter. Pythagora is really good for big projects, but I think it's a bit overkill for this thing. So yeah, I don't think it changed the base URL. But that's fine. So we're in Open Interpreter in my local mode. So I actually don't want to run it. I'm just going to run it with GPT 3.5. So I go poetry. Wait, I don't think I even need poetry. Interpreter -- fast, or is it -f? I think it might be 1-. Just get it with GPT 3.5. That should be okay, cheap enough for what we want. Yep. Now, how do we prompt this? I'm going to say, look at my PowerShell profile and extend the function. I'm going to help it out. I'll provide the function name. Run OI from source to be able to accept flags such as -- Hold on, let's look at the docs for like a legitimate flag. Oops, that's Google Docs. I suddenly need to pee. Open Interpreters, docs, settings, yep. -- model, for instance, or -- temperature, let's just do that. Such as -- temperature 07. This flag should be appended to the interpreter command, such as interpreter -- local -- max. I just want to make sure like it kind of knows what I mean. -- local -- max output -- temperature 0.7. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Just in case it doesn't work with 3.5, I'll try it with GPT-4. But I think it should work. So first it's going to try get the profile. And there we go, it's listed out. So now it actually knows what it looks like. So it's really good that it went to see what the profile looks like before trying to just write code from scratch. It's really good to see. Sorry if I missed anyone's comments. Elephantitis says, try Obsidian for notes. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about Obsidian. Thanks for all the likes, guys. Okay, now it says, profile, add content dash value, and extend OI from source. Okay, it just wants to add a comment at the end, it seems. Which, okay, we can accept that. The task is done. I don't think that one worked. So let's quit out of that and have a look at what change it made. I should probably back up my folder. Doesn't look like it made any changes. All right, I'm gonna save this. Just like save this here so I have it as backup. And let's try run it with GPT-4. See if that performs better. I think another thing that we need to work on with Open Interpreter is how it, like a better way for it to edit files. At the moment, I think it only tries to edit files using either like Python scripts or command line. I think there should be a better way. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Should be in my clipboard history though. Yep, here we go. So the same exact command I gave to 3.5. Let's see if GPT-4 can figure it out. Yep, the first step is good, just like GPT-3. Now this is a different system prompt than normal Open Interpreter, so that could be a reason why it's not performing too good as well. Okay, now it wants to modify OI from source. It's writing the modification first. So the modification is it for to accept a parameter called temperature. But I actually want it to say change the code so that any flag with any name can be entered. Not just any name and any value can be entered. Not just temperature. Let's see if we can do that. And also I want it to be any amount of flags as well. I think that looks better. This code allows the function to accept a hash table of parameters. Okay, nice. So now we can have as many flags as we want. That's good. So it also said you could either have other flag value, so that's perfect. Now it says, let's proceed with creating a backup of the current profile and then updating this code, which is really cool. So it saves a backup for me just in case it messes it up. That's really smart of GPT-4 to do. Elephantitis says, for $100,000, would you permanently stop using VS Code? Or any derivative of it? Not for the rest of my life, but yeah, I'd take that deal for like maybe a year. Anything over a year, you'd have to increase. I'd do it for $100,000 per year. Okay, so it's backing up the profile. Wow, it's writing a whole... See, this is so inefficient. This is how Open Interpreter updates code at the moment. It's doing it with a PowerShell script, line by line. Oh my god, and when I scroll, it messes up the printing. Yo, Thibaut! Ça va? Okay, we're just gonna run it. I have it backed up in this markdown file as well. Oh, dude, the scrolling really messed everything up. Yeah. Damn. Damn it, dude. Sorry for anyone who has epilepsy. Please close your eyes. Because, yeah, I scrolled. So, yeah, I mean, I'll just make this smaller, so. Okay, no, it actually finished. No, yeah, it did. Great, the profile has been updated. As a final verification, let's run the command. So I can just say continue. Sometimes it doesn't actually do what it says it's going to do, so you just say continue and it will do it. It's ran continue, and now we can see, oh, it says there's an error with the profile. The old function code still exists. Okay, so yeah, as I said, like, there is a bit of an issue with how it edits code, but that's not something I'm going to be looking into this stream. Elephantitis says, any better on a Unix shell or a PowerShell issue? I think, yeah, this is kind of a PowerShell. So Open Interpreter has been mainly tested on like Mac terminals. I'm not sure what terminal exactly, but maybe resizing it on a Mac will mess it up as well. But it's like whatever they use to render this stuff. Because sometimes they use like a Jupyter kernel. I'm not sure if that's the issue. I'm going to quit this and just do this manually because like it's not really something that I want to spend too much time on. We got it to write the nice code for us. But yeah, the editing of the file still kind of has some issues. Yeah, okay. I wonder if I can open this in Notepad. Yes, I can. Close this off. I'm going to remove the -- local and that. So now it should be able to take any flags. Save this. Open a new PowerShell. And let's test this out. If I go OIS without -- local, it should run with GPT-4. Let's see if that works. Yep, perfect. And now if I run OIS again, I'm not sure if it'll give me an issue because I've already activated the terminal. But if I go -- local, yeah, I think it's an issue if I'm already in Conda. But let's just go OIS -- local. Oh, no. Okay, so there is an error with the code that it wrote. All right, I'm going to go pee, and when I come back, we will continue with this. I'm going to leave you guys with my beautiful intro music that I made today, and I'll see you soon. All right, I'm back. Wait, which way was the mic? This way. Oh, wait. I don't know if that's the levels like. Yo, test 1 2 1 2. Okay, that's pretty good. So maybe we should focus on editing. Let me show you guys this eraser diagram. Because essentially my end goal is to have, I think I can make a software engineering agent with Open Interpreter's help. But there was these two main issues that I wanted to solve. One was the browser agent, and I guess another one is the file editing for the software engineer. So it seems like we still have some issues with the file editing. I kind of do want to do the browsing though. That is a bit more exciting for me. Mexicana, thanks for the follow. So yeah, let's let me do a test. Okay, so one thing, did I save it? I wanted to see if with Selenium you can copy, oh, I didn't save it. You can copy your Chrome profile. So everything I'm logged into on Chrome, can we have that same, like those same cookies on Selenium? So let me just manually activate this. Activate. Wait, what is going on here? Could not find content environment OIS. What is it actually called? OI-S. Okay. Interpreter. Just run this with GPT-4 just to see if it's possible. I'm gonna ask it when it runs, create a wait, no, I'm gonna say open TikTok because I'm logged in with TikTok, right? TikTok, or what else could I say? Just literally anything. Yeah, see, I'm logged in here. Let's say open TikTok.com with Selenium, copying my Chrome profile saved on my computer so that it uses my authentication session cookies. Let's see if this works. What time zone am I in? GMT plus 11, I think. Australian time zone. Okay, typical Chrome profile is in one of these locations. I'm on Windows. It didn't finish writing the code. I'm just gonna say yes. Hopefully it figures it out. There we go. All right, now it's gonna find the exact location of my Chrome profile, hopefully. Yep, it seems like that worked. Let's go ahead and make everything in show. Use Selenium. Continue. I'm gonna bring this up because I think it's a bit hard for TikTok people to see the bottom. So now it's using pip to install Selenium. Okay. Great, necessary packages are installed. Let's move on to writing the script, I hope. Let's see. Yep. Okay, so this is adding the Chrome profile. And it's gonna go. All right, let's see if this works. Moment of truth. Let's open TikTok here, but no, I'm not logged in. So does that not work? Guess it doesn't work. I don't know if it should have said person one. I don't know if this is possible. It did not have me signed in. Can we debug this? Is there any way to debug this? Firstly, let's list all the profiles. Okay. So it's gonna inspect my profiles. Hopefully I don't dox anything too bad. It's just gonna list the names, so that should be fine. Default profile 3 and profile 4. Might be possible that your TikTok login is associated with a different profile other than default. I don't think so. No, it should be the default one. Now it's trying to launch it in profile 3. Like, no. It should be in default. Is it possible to inspect the profile or something? Can use browser cookie 3 to inspect the profile. Okay. Let's see what it does with that one. Install it. I was gonna see if we have any cookies for the domain tiktok.com. Well, it's taking a while to fetch all the cookies. And we have a permissions error. Ensure all Chrome browsers are closed. I feel like it's more an issue of Alright, I'm gonna close all the Chrome browsers, but I don't think that's the actual issue. I think it's more because I'm not running this in like administrator mode. Let's go try again. Oh, nice. It actually worked. Profile does have cookies related to TikTok. Okay. So we can see that we do have the right profile with the right cookies. The error might be coming from TikTok itself that doesn't allow a maintained session in an automated test environment. Yeah, I feel like this way might not be possible. I didn't think you could reliably like use a session from Chrome in Selenium. I'm gonna ask like what are some ways around this, see if GPT-4 knows any ways around this. Manual intervention, API. Yeah, nothing good. That's a bit sucky. So I think we'd need to use like something else. Unfortunately. So we tried to do, can we you maintain a Chrome session cookies auth in Selenium? And then the answer was, doesn't look like it. Unfortunately. Just had someone reply to one of my things in Open Interpreter's chat. Let me show you guys. So I normally suggest Conda for an environment, just because it's easy to install through the web instead of having to learn how to use Brew and stuff. Two people were like, no, and here nobody's done a write-up. While Conda seems straightforward because of the one click, it brings a few problems. Its dependency resolution isn't as deterministic as poetry, which minimizes potential conflicts. It has made progress, but historically struggled to properly manage Conda and pip packages in the same environment. Okay. Poetry is a part of Python packaging authority, which means it can work flawlessly with tools like pip, PyPI, and virtual env. Anaconda, by its nature, creates an ecosystem parallel to the standard Python ecosystem, which sometimes leads to compatibility issues and requires extra steps when working outside of its environment. I, for instance, cannot use Conda on my work machine as it messes up with some security certs. Okay. Although promoting it feels like lowering the barrier to entry, it actually may affect onboarding negatively, as you'd have a demographic of users who'd have a set of issues brought in not by Open Interpreter or O1, but by Conda itself. This means more frustrations for them as they struggle to find help. Okay, that could be valid. Shouts out to nobody. Let me say thank you for the info. All right, let's go back to the Open Interpreter experimentations. I think I'm gonna try finish this one off. So we had an error with the OIS script. I saved that one. Let me save the new one. Here. Now I'm gonna do this one in auto mode. Hold on, let me remove these. With Open Interpreter. So if you go interpreter --y, interpreter --y, it should run, maybe it's -y, it should run in a mode where you don't need to actually tell it to do stuff. Like you don't need to prompt it, it'll keep prompting itself. Okay, I think it might just be -y. Interesting. So that means our code won't work. Anyway, that's a future problem. Yeah, but hopefully I'm gonna get it to like autonomously debug my PowerShell profile. Once it starts, did I press enter? I did. Okay. So I'm gonna say debug my PowerShell profile. There is a command, there is an alias OIS which gives an error when run. Determine the issue and resolve it. Okay, and then hopefully if we just let it run by itself and it'll figure it out. So first it's run a get alias name OIS, which gave back the function that it corresponds to. Let's inspect run from source to understand it. Now we'll execute a PowerShell command. Okay. Fortunately, I have to write continue here because it didn't write the PowerShell command. So it's interesting. Sometimes this auto execute script flag doesn't work too great. Okay, now it's trying to run OIS. Oh, it actually worked? I think it doesn't work with a flag. Now I wonder if it's going to get stuck here because this puts it in its own... It's like opens up a new interpreter shell that it doesn't exit from. So we might be stuck here. Oops, sorry. Gotta pop up. I'm gonna give it like 15 seconds. While we look through Discord. Oh yeah, Starlink 7B beta is a really good 7B model now. It's really high on the Limsys leaderboard. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, I think this is stuck. Quit that out. Let's copy this. Try that again. So apparently it works fine if you don't provide any flags, but let's say we provide it with a flag. That's when the error begins. So copy paste this, which gives an error when run with a flag such as, wait, we can go IE OIS -- temperature 0.7, 0.2. Determine the issue and resolve it. Okay. Hopefully this time it'll work because we'll get an actual error if they try to run it. Oh, now it tried to print the whole profile, which is good. So now it knows the whole code structure of my PowerShell profile. Now it's explaining the code. This is good. I didn't have to type continue this time or run the code or not. Oh, now it's running a replace function. Next I'll do a test. Okay, it didn't run any of those codes. Retry the last two commands. Still a lot of hand holding that needs to be done. Okay, now it actually got the error when it tried to run OIS temperature 2. And the error message kind of helped it know what to change. So it's rewriting the function. But it didn't edit the profile to have the new function. So a lot of hand holding needs to be done here. Sometimes it doesn't execute on its plans. Still got an error. Oh, it reloaded profile. Actually, that's good. Because you do have to reload it. Looks like there's a missing close bracket as well. Doesn't run the codes. This is kind of annoying. Let's see if we can Apparently if you do double that, you can do you can run commands from inside Open Interpreter. I don't know if that worked. You tell it to retry. Oh, nice. Nice, at least it's kind of going. Still stops. Looks like we have a long way to go before this is reliable. Now it's suggesting I manually do it. We can manually do it. It feels wrong, but we'll do it. No, oh man. There's definitely something wrong with it because we get an error now as soon as we run this. Why didn't Notepad work? Oh boy. What? Look what it wrote in my profile. Is that correct? Yeah, that looks fine. What the hell? Luckily I backed it up here. Paste that and paste over this with the one that it said. Oh man, can you not do the opposite of indenting with... Why is that so annoying? Wait, how is that different from this? Oh man, that sucks ass. It's not going. Yo, Eddie, what's up? What's annoying? A lot of stuff. Just like, okay, one major issue I think is an ability for Open Interpreter to reliably edit text in files. At the moment, it tries to do it with like command line commands or Python commands, which from experience has not been very effective. Yeah, I guess. Yo, you got Windows in Mac? Yeah, I'm using a capture card to display my Windows computer on this Mac so I can use like my GPU to its full potential on the Windows. Even though I'm not using it at all at the moment, I'm just using GPT-4 and stuff. Hoping it'd be more reliable, but that's not the case. Actually, let's do some LM Studio. Maybe it'll be better. Let me open up a new profile. See if we we don't get any errors. Oh, we do? What's wrong? Oh, I think we messed up this profile severely. No? Oh, looks okay. Well. Did we mess it up? What's the issue? Flag string, variable not valid. Colon was not followed by a valid variable name. Where is the colon? There's no colon. What? Documents PowerShell profile. Is this a different folder? Different. No, this is the same, right? If I do S here. Wait, what? I think this is a different file. What? Now I'm confused. Alright, whatever. We'll try and get Open Interpreter to figure this out. I'm gonna run. So apparently Starling 7B beta is good. Let's see. Let's see how good it is. Full GPU offload. Let's go. Okay, yeah, we've got the server running. Let's go interpreter -- local we just do OIS. Oh no, obviously that doesn't work because my profile is broken. Conda activate OI-S interpreter -- local. Okay, on Studio. So my PowerShell profile is throwing errors. Debug it. Here we go. Now this is all running off my local Starling 7B model. Let's see if it can beat GPT-4. Okay, it's logged the error. So far, so good. Let's see. Can it figure it out? Yo, Neo Exit says, are you from USA? No, I'm from Australia. Sorry, I'm not sure how long ago you sent that message. I only just saw it. Let me bring up my chat. I didn't have my chat open. Get profile. Okay. There is no get profile commandlet, apparently. Fix it. Yes. Okay, Starling is trying to do this get profile command, which doesn't exist, supposedly. So I think Starling's good at like basic chat, but it might not be the best at coding related stuff. So I'm gonna reset the, I don't know if that worked, reset. Normally it says a message like, oh, I'm doing $sign reset. I meant percentage reset. Okay, reset. We're gonna do open interpreter DS6. Let's see how good this is. Because this one is like specific for like coding related stuff, I guess. So can I get that old command? Yes, my PowerShell is throwing errors, debug it. Could you provide me with the specific section where it's throwing errors? Run commands to determine the error. So it's asking me to do stuff which is not good. I would like it to do it for me. That's not good either. I'm gonna give it one more try. We'll reset this and run the initial prompt again before trying another. Okay, it's like refusing to do stuff. Okay, screw you then. We'll reset this and let's try Open Hermes 2 Pro Mistral. This one has actually been my favorite, most successful out of all my tests. Open Hermes 2 Pro, shout out to Nose Research. Restart the server and let's see how that answers. Oh, what did I press? I accidentally pressed enter with nothing. Let's do a reset again. And I'm going to restart this server just in case. Alright, there we go. Properly give it the prompt this time. It's given me blank code. Would I like to run blank code? That's very interesting. I guess that kind of makes sense. Like if this was a new shell, it would give an error, but clearly blank code does nothing. Oh, now it's actually doing something. Testing a profile exists. Testing a profile exists. Unfortunately, the code block wasn't in the code block. So I'm gonna be like let's just give it one more try from the initial prompt. Oh, I got a message or something. Again, interesting. Interesting, the blank. It's not identifying. I think it's not using Markdown properly for the code blocks. I'm gonna just try run this. I know it won't work. I don't think I've experienced this issue before with Hermes. Retry the code. Not exactly what I wanted. No good. What other models do we have? I doubt any of the other ones will be any good. Magic Coder. This is my last attempt at a 7B model to do this. Okay. Come on, 7B model. Literally no response? This was a blank response too, what? No, they're never this bad. There's surely something wrong. Let's restart interpreter completely. Go back to Hermes 2 Pro. Okay. Surely. Run profile and determine the bug in the file and debug it. Wow. I think my prompt was bad. I have an error in my PowerShell profile. Please debug it and fix it. Wait, run it, debug it, edit it. It's a bad prompt, but like, okay, that's a good start. So telling it to run it helps, I guess, because it actually runs it this time, and now we have a meaningful error. Hopefully it'll analyze it. Oh, my context window could be too small. Oh no, 32,000. That's good. Huh? Instruct. Dude, why is it so dumb today? It literally just outputs nothing. I wonder if it's something to do with my other values. Like, does it say what the temperature and stuff is? Not really. Oh, max tokens 1000. Model GPT-4. Could that be an issue? Max tokens? Oh no, hold on. Let's see what happens if I give it more max tokens. You go max tokens like 5,000. My profile is throwing errors. Run it to see the error, then debug it. No, it's even worse. Token trim warning system message exceeds token limit, which is probably undesired trimming. Interesting. Oh. Some reason making the max tokens 5,000 made the system prompt be super small. What was the system prompt before? Why is that? I'm so confused. I'm gonna try run the normal open interpreter, not my source version. Hold on, let's see when's the last time they made a release. If they've made one recently. No, last week. I think I have that version. So conda deactivate. Conda activate OI. So I'm pretty sure this is now the latest version. Oh, the latest release of interpreter. Hopefully. If it, yep, I think that's good. Let's try this. There's an error in my PowerShell profile. Debug it, run it, and debug the error. Yo, what's up? Charlie says, what's the best way to code a best way to learn how to code a website? I like YouTube, but maybe, I don't know, articles, courses. Everyone has a different way of learning. Cactus says, you know how to make a YouTube view bot? No, I'm not sure. What are you making in Pi? I'm just testing this tool called Open Interpreter. Odette Bear, what's up? Okay, this looks like a much better response. So maybe there were some issues with my, Whoa, look how short the system prompt is here. You're an open interpreter, a world-class programmer that can execute code on the user's machine. Use only the function you have been provided with. Execute language. Oh. Execute language code. Wow, that's so cool. So I think I definitely messed some stuff up in my source then. Because this system prompt's super short, but effective. Okay, then I said there's an error in my PowerShell. And now they've given a function. I didn't even know you could do this in LM Studio. Oh no, it's functions that... Wait, what? Where's all this? Wait, no. Open PowerShell. I don't even see this. Huh? Where is this coming from? This isn't even in the logs. Oh, my live was disconnected? Bruh. So annoying. The TikTok live was disconnected. Okay, I don't really understand how this works. So there was 2 messages. And a function provided. Streaming response, finish streaming response. Okay, I guess this just doesn't log the response. Okay, here's the response. Interesting. Okay, definitely need to fix my source. Yo, hey Charlie, what's up? Sorry my live cut out before. Okay, that's cool though. Let's what are we running? Hermes 2. Let's see if Hermes can continue with the next instruction. Run code to do these tasks. It's not? Hold on. It seems to be trying to do this stuff with the function mode. And in LM Studio, if you run this playground session, you can have... Oh, no, that's JSON mode. Oh, sorry, that's not function calling. Let's try Starling Beta again. LM Studio. There's a bug in my PowerShell profile script. Run it and debug the error. Alright, Starling. As an AI language model, I cannot execute code. Oh, nice. It's executing code. No. Write the code snippet in Markdown. Alright, we're really holding his hand here. No bueno. Alright, let's we'll try ChatGPT 5, GPT 3.5 in automatic mode. Wine F. What are these Discord messages, bro? I don't know how to see. Oh my god, someone just pinged me and says help. Good message, bro. I don't know, like, how do you see other messages here? Cause I got pinged twice, but I can only see one message. I don't know. I swear, like, you don't get all the messages. Yo, A Square, thanks for the follow. Okay. There is an error in my PowerShell profile. Determine the issue and debug it with code. Maybe I should have specified with code. Okay, good. It ran profile. We got the error. Let's see. Come on. GPT 3.5. Oh, Charlie, thanks for the rose, man. What's up? Did I miss your message again? How can you get a live view of your code running in VS? What do you mean a live view? You mean like HTML code? There's like a thing. What's it called? Like a plugin that can run your HTML code. Forget what it's called. Alright, see what this dude's saying. I'm on Windows, what should I do next? Conda create, conda activate, poetry install. Alright, what has he done? Cloning OI. OI software. Step 2 on the left window. Fuck, bro, he's got his tutorial right here. Why is he asking me? Yo, A Square, what am I building? I'm doing experiments with this AI agent called Open Interpreter. I have this issue in my PowerShell profile. I'm trying to get it to autonomously debug it for me. Apparently it's done it. I'll be like, continue. I'll be like, test to see if the change worked. Okay. Bro, this guy. Looks like it didn't work. The file is displayed without any errors. Oh, it has? Get profile, get content. But can you run the file without errors? And nope, it couldn't. See? And now it's written some code to help change it, to fix it. Still has issues. Okay. Luckily it's going. Is this GPT in your PowerShell? Kind of. It's a software that uses GPT as its brain to execute stuff in, yeah, PowerShell in this instance, but it doesn't have to be PowerShell. Am I a Python dev? Not really, but I have dev'd in Python a bit. It tended to be fixed. Now let's retry running the file. Continue. Seems there's still errors. I will continue to investigate. Okay. This mode needs to just type continue by itself and only stop if I press like Control C or something, maybe. I don't know. I don't know if people would want that. The errors persist. I will continue. Continue. We might be in a loop here. A lot of these AIs get in a loop. Brainstorm. Let's go brainstorm 5 different solutions you haven't already tried. Because I feel like it's trying the same thing. Homie says my Python version is 3.11. It should create 3.9 if you did the correct conda create. Reset the file to default. Check for encoding issues. Separate the functions. Syntax checker. It so sucks how it can't fix this. Variable reference is not valid. It's not followed by a variable name. Oh, try these. A Square, man, you built a browser agent, now you're doing this. Let's make a whole open source Devon. That's the whole like end goal, right? But we're so far from it. At least with this. I mean, there is. Have you seen all the other Open Devons? Open Devon and Devika. Neither of them have browser work. Oh, actually, Devika supposedly has it. I couldn't get it to work. Open Devon at least says that they don't have browser working yet. Did they do releases? No releases. But yeah, they're pretty active. 3 hours ago for Open Devon, 10 hours ago for Devika. Yeah, browsing is such an important part. PowerShell profile is now containing the default template. It should run without any errors. The task is done. Great, so we fixed it by replacing the profile with just the basic profile. Let's see what it looks like. Notepad profile. At least we don't get errors, but yeah. Oh no, wait, what? Bro, the location is different. I swear this isn't my profile. Cause look, if I go OIS. So can we ask Open Interpreter? Where's the one that I had open? Where is the location of my profile? And why is it different? Apparently it's here. Yeah, it's just a blank profile. Wait, what function did it run for that? It ran just profile. But if I ran profile, oh, I get that as well. How come when I go notepad profile, it's something different? What? Or is that just running notepad by itself? Oh, okay, that's probably why. I guess that's not how you run profile. Yo, what's up, you guys? Which AI in LM Studio? VLlama. What's VLlama? How many memory in llama? I was running Starling 7M, Starling Beta. What's VLlama? The Llama AI is a timeline AI. I have not heard of Llama, and nothing's coming up. I don't know. Okay. So, where should we go from here? Can I close my notes? Here is my notes. Get open to run. Be able to pass flags. This went horribly. This went very poorly. Created code with errors and was unable to debug it. So maybe GPT-4 could debug it. Did we try GPT-4? I'm gonna try GPT-4. Let me put the code back. Oh, here. Now if I open a new, and close all these terminals. Opening a terminal. Oh, we don't get an error? What if I do OIS? Looks like we don't get an error. What is this guy saying? Come to activate. Okay. I already have poetry. Step 3. It installs packages, not poetry itself. Alright. Okay, OIS worked, but I'm pretty sure if I did OIS dash flag, yeah, that's where we get the error. Okay. I'm gonna try to debug this with come to activate, open interpreter. I have a PowerShell profile that has an alias for OIS. There is a bug when I try the command, when I try to run OIS dash flag, analyze the code and fix the issue. Come on, GPT-4, you can do it. Yes, get the code. Okay, now it knows about the code. Based on this, for example, try running. Wait, if I do this, OIS temperature 0.7. Oh, we don't get the output. Try running it to get an error. Okay, it's just going to do OIS dash flag. Yep. That looks good. Bro, why is it doing it in such a weird way? Okay, no. Just run OIS dash flag. Yes, there we go. Is this LLM? Yeah, this is using GPT-4 on the back end, but this app itself is called Open Interpreter. The proposed changes the flag parameter from hash table to array. This should do that. So the updated function is this. So we actually have to manually tell it to write code to edit the code with the updated function. To edit the profile with the updated function, we should say. Is this Rune Whisper? No, it's Open Interpreter with GPT-4. What's Rune Whisper? I haven't heard of that. Olama AI using Lava. Oh yeah, did I try that? No, like I've tried it before. Lava has been pretty bad at like recognizing user interface and stuff from my experience. Okay, didn't GPT-4 like thinks it can't make changes to files. That's why I think we need like a better way to edit files as well. What are all these? Store the new function code. Oh, this is the code I get to replace it. Run the code to edit again. It didn't run it. I feel like, yeah. Just, oh, maybe this time. Here it is again for your reference, but will it let us to run it or no? Meanwhile, our friend on Discord had an issue with their poetry install. Error. Looks like you need C++. Give him a shrug. Write it in PowerShell Markdown. I think if it writes it in Markdown, Open Interpreter is able to pick it up, or no? Oh, wow. And we got errors. I think we've exceeded its context length, it seems. Damn. All right. Quen. Yeah, I've used Quen. I don't think Quen and stuff are as good as this model that I was trying before. Okay. How long have we been streaming for? I feel like I'm losing some steam here. I kind of want to test, yeah, Open Interpreter. Hour and a half? Still got some time. I mean, sorry, Open Devon. What do we think? Or Devika. Do you think they fixed my issues last time with Devika? Or someone said I didn't use the DuckDuckGo thing properly. I might try Devika again. Bro, I'm getting these Discord notifications, but I don't know where they're coming from. Oh, I got one. DM. Is that why? A for you? Unreads? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let me try Devika one more time. Where is this? There we go. Is it here? Devika. Close this. So apparently I changed serve copy. Hold on. Whoa. Search copy 2. And then search should actually be search copy. Okay. I'm gonna try git pull. This probably will not work though. Git pull. How about git stash and then git pull? Now, how do you apply git stash? How to apply git stash? Git stash apply. Git stash apply. Okay, cool. I think we have merge issues, resolve in merge editor. All right. Let's see. What file is this? Search.py. Okay. Can I bring this down? So I had DuckDuckGo, that's fine. Self.query. They've added a whole bunch of other stuff. Can we accept both? Ooh, what is this? Self.query.href. Did they still return that? In Bing search, Google search, DuckDuckGo search. They include their own DuckDuckGo search. Oh, wait, but it's not. Hold on, accept combination. Complete merge. Oh, let me look over this. Google search. Get first link. First link class DuckDuckGo search. DuckDuckGo search. Wow, they added their own DuckDuckGo search. Sick. Okay, that's really cool. Because apparently you don't need an API key for DuckDuckGo search. Awesome, awesome. Let's try Devika again. What are their running instructions again? Quick start, cd Devika, uvenv, source venv activate. What's, I think, do we do this again? UVN? What is UV? I don't have UV. I don't know what UV is. I don't know, source? Oh, I think conda activate, or we use conda anyway. Yo, Blizzard! What's up? Long time no see in the chat. Okay, conda activated, Devika, pip install requirements. Again, we should have everything. I don't know, they might have added something else. Playwright install. I don't remember this. I don't remember a Playwright install. Is that new? Nico, hey, what's up? I don't see anyone runs Devika. You can go ahead. Even the author has an issue. Yeah, I mean, all of these tools have a lot of issues. It's very early days, but it's still interesting to see how it's going. What am I building? Is that just a project? I'm not really building this at the moment. I'm just trying it out. It's called Devika. It's an open source AI software engineer. All right, let's try install Playwright with depth. Okay, it seems like it's working. Wait, is that? Did that mess things up? Okay, no, we're good. Did the Playwright, what was next? CDUI, bun install, CDUI, yarn run dev, and we also want one for the Devika, Python, Devika, oh wait, no, conda, Devika, Python, Devika, oh, Python, Devika, .py, yarn dev. Yo, Blizzard, too busy. Devika or OpenDevin have any real use right now in big projects? Not really. They're all pretty crap at the moment, but you know, soon. One day. Oh, it's downloading a bunch of safe tensors, a bunch of models, really. Did not expect that. So it looks like they might be doing some local AI stuff as well. Damn, we got an error? What's the error? Key error logging. Might have to open this on the side here to not not leak my... Oh, I think I deleted this. Deleted my API key for this as well. Olam. Oh no, it's locally. Oh, have I been running the locally thing? Wait. Config.toml. Oh, I need a new config? Oh man. Alright guys, I need to pee again, I'll be back. But when we come back, Devika. I feel like it might work better this time. What happened to my stream setup? Yeah, I'm running off the MacBook this time, so it's not as nice as it was, unfortunately. And the reason I do this is so I can run my Windows at full potential. Is Devika like ChatGPT? It uses stuff like ChatGPT. It's like a wrapper that, you know, runs code and can browse the web and stuff. I'll be back really soon. Yo, from Devon to Devonica. What are you talking about? Alright. I'm back. And Claude is available in Spain. Not available in Spain, but in Africa it is. Yeah, I think that's because of like the European like privacy laws and stuff, hey. Yo, Geeky Gamer, good to see you back. What's up? So I think I need to set up a bunch of my config. Oh, we do have a config toml. Oh, sweet. Hold on. I think I can fix this. I just, I'm pretty sure my key has been redacted though. So let me try run that again. And while it's doing that, we're gonna create a new key because I'm pretty sure that won't work. Oh, it didn't complain, but I think it's still... Oh no, I still have my Devika key. Okay, sweet. All right, we have Devika running. Whoa, it looks so much cooler. Oh, actually no, it's probably the same. Can we go dark mode? Oh no, the settings button breaks it. Did it break? No, it's still good. Still good. Maybe I'll just refresh. Okay. That's good. Okay, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. That works. We'll just do this to go dark mode. Sick. We'll go select project, new project, enter project name. So we'll do what we did last time. I'm gonna try to make a GPT for chat. Okay. Did that work? I think I might have pressed cancel. GPT for chat. Okay. Okay, no, I definitely pressed OK that time. And it's not creating a new project. It's not not good. Any errors in the... Yeah, let's refresh it. We'll try again. Just go GPT. Okay. Okay, that didn't work either. All right, we'll just try type here. Create a GPT-4 chat app that uses the latest OpenAI Python docs on their GitHub. Send. Select the project first. Okay, damn it. Well, let me create a new project, bro. Test. This is even worse than it was before. Why is it so broken? No. You know what? Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try different commits. So I'm gonna open this up in Fork so I can see their commit kind of log. And then maybe there's like a more stable commit I can use. Fadil, hi, I'm asking how to change color of my website background. Look up CSS. Use CSS. Morning, Ronald Doug. What's up? Okay. Fix agent state, update Discord, merge pool. What did that change? Agent state. Oh boy. Oh boy. Merge. Here. Main into dev, main into dev. Oh no. Merge. Issue, roadmap, merge. Merging web search. March 29. Checkout commit. Fuck, what are all these? I think we can discard a lot of this. Kind of is using that. What if we stop? I don't know why the config toml isn't in the git ignore. This is just... Wait, maybe I should discard that. Oh boy. Abort merge. Okay. Discard. Just discard everything, please. Wait, why is... Git reset. Okay. Okay. Wait, let me just run this again with the current situation. Where's the best agent for local? I really like Hermes 2 Pro, but nothing performs perfectly. Don't expect much from local. Oh, that's the wrong one. Okay. Got Devika running. Let's run the Python file. Oh my god. Okay. Let that initialize. Reload. Let's try create a new project. Test. Oh, it worked this time. Okay, that's good. Select search engine, DuckDuckGo, select model, GPT 3.5. Okay, cool, awesome. Progress. Create a chat app using GPT-4 from the latest documentation on OpenAI GitHub. Send. Nice. All right, it's finally working. That's good. Oh, we got an error here. Incorrect API key. Okay. I'm gonna make a new API key. Did it delete my config toml? Dude, it full did. Oh no, it didn't. OpenAI. Oh, we just don't have the API key here for some reason. Okay, now we do. Now we do. Could we refresh and try that again? Test project, DuckDuckGo, GPT 3.5. Continue. Should we type continue? I think so. Continue. Is it doing something? I'm gonna just make a new project. New project, chat, app. New project created, same prompt. Let's go. Invalid API key again. I guess it didn't save. All right, I'm gonna reload. Reload the server. Okay. Reload. We're just gonna create a new project. Chat app 2. Okay. DuckDuckGo. GPT 3.5. Let's go. Surely this time. Surely this time, right? Yes. Okay, it's got the plan. Step 1, research the documentation. Alright, great. Come on, I really want the browsing to work. It's gonna use DuckDuckGo to search. Yes. I need to deep dive on the OpenAI GitHub. Yes, good. Do it. Go on the OpenAI GitHub. This is a moment of truth. Oh no, what's this error? Looks like you are using Playwright Sync API inside the async IO loop. Please use async IO API instead. No, man. What do you mean? Oh, here. Wait, what? Oh no, this is in their library. Where is this error coming from? Miniconda users, Miniconda. Here. Browser. Alright, let's just debug this ourselves. Shouldn't be too hard, right? This is an error from 2021. You have to use async API, refer to 485 downvotes. Actually, there's an easier fix. You're just missing some of the drivers. Run this. Okay, did we not run that before? We will, wait. We'll run that. Didn't seem to change anything. I don't know. Let's try again. Just gonna create a new app because I'm not sure. DuckDuckGo, GPT 3.5. Come on. How did you get Devika to run? I just tried a lot. Have you tested it recently? I mean, it changes every couple of hours, so it seems to be more stable than when I tried it last time, but still a bunch of stuff. Yeah, this error again. I ran that Playwright thing. Bro. was saying just to run playwright install depths, but I did run that. Doesn't seem to be working. I don't know if it's the command that's not working at all, because we get no output. What happens if I just run playwright? Okay. So playwright's installed. Playwright cogen, playwright open, playwright install. Playwright install. Playwright install. Playwright install. See rather. Install depths, I don't know. Playwright install depths. Chrome. Didn't do anything. Playwright help install depths. Oh my god, I keep typing playwright wrong. Oh, you guys probably can't see this on TikTok. Here. Install depths, installs dependencies for browsers, install depths Chrome. Yeah, we did that. Dry run, don't execute installation commands, only print them. Try it in a few hours. I'm new to AI. I want to know what laptop to use. I use the MacBook. The M series is really good. What am I doing? I'm trying Devika. OpenDevon doesn't have browsing at all. Devika at least claims that browsing should be working, but yeah, it doesn't seem to be working too well. But it seems like it's an issue that I might be able to fix. Some issue with Playwright. And Playwright install with depths. We run all these different things, but we could make a new Python Conda environment. Because look, if I go Conda deactivate and I go Playwright, that should not work. Okay. That's an interesting. So if I go Conda activate, what version of Python do they want? I mean, I guess that's kind of interesting to know. They use UV. I wonder if that is necessary. Might be able to see the Python version in requirements text? No. Docker compose. No. Let me just try and install the Python stuff again. Let's create Devika 2. Running on Docker? Oh yeah, can we run it with Docker? I don't think I have Docker set up properly. No, they don't say anything about Docker, even though they do have a Docker file. Or Docker compose YAML. Control for Docker. Docker images will be released soon, supposedly. Even though there are some Docker files here. I don't know. I'm just gonna try do everything again my own way from the start. Which MacBook? It's any MacBook Pro with the M series chips. I have an M1, but that's kind of outdated. I don't even know if they sell those anymore. Isn't there a Docker image? Yeah, there's Docker files, but I don't know. Should we? I'm no Docker. I'm not very experienced with Docker. Okay. Activate this. And pip install the requirements again. Let's Google if this is a thing. Playwright install with depths. Depths. Updating Playwright to the latest version. Yeah, it seems like it should work. See if anyone else has complained about this sync API. Browser runs scope vision. I use module class for function. It works. Scope session. Need to uninstall PyTest Playwright and just install Playwright. Oh, is that a thing? What are we using here? Playwright. Ooh, PyTest Playwright. That could be a thing. I might try that. Go Live says their Devika just won't give any output even after setting the API key. Is this, what day did you try it? Yeah, it is very broken, but you know, that kind of makes it more fun. Not really, to be honest, it makes it more annoying. Should we install with depths? I'm just gonna keep the same front end running. And that's it for the Python. Python Devika. Oh, keep trying to run that. Okay. Let's see if we get that same issue. I'm gonna create a new project. Call it chat 4. Okay. And well, let me select the search engine. Oh, chat 4, DuckDuckGo, GPT-3. Create a chat app with GPT-4. Let's see what happens. Bun library is not available for Windows, so I wasn't able to download it. Could this be a reason? Yeah, I used Yarn. But no, you should be able to use Yarn or NPM, like, as long as you install the dependencies. Okay, we got up to this stage before, needs to research, boom, same issue again. All right, let's close that. How do we uninstall a pip package? How to uninstall pip package? Pip uninstall. Pip uninstall. Pip uninstall PyTest Playwright. Successfully uninstalled. Just gonna delete that as well. Okay. All right, let's see if I run this without PyTest Playwright. Will that work? Am I using Windows on my MacBook? Yeah, I'm just like, what's it called? Using a capture card to show Windows on my MacBook, if that makes sense. But this is actually all running on a Windows computer normally. All right, let's try one more time. Chat 5. DuckDuckGo 3.5. Create a chat app. You also used Yarn. It was working fine, but at least you're getting output. I wasn't getting any output. Modify the code. Yeah, we might have to. Might have to modify the code. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully I won't have to. Hopefully this just works. Open AI-product. Is that gonna work? This is a moment of truth right now. Either get an error or Yeah, same exact error. Okay, let me look at their code at least. I mean, it didn't really make much sense what I should change the first time I looked at it. That's not it. Context manager. Agents. .py. Oh, it's a different line this time. So apparently this line, self.search queries. But it should give me a different line. I don't know why it's giving this line. Self.search queries. Context manager. Yeah, it should be this line, browser. Right, this is from browser.py. Oh, not even this line. Self playwright start. Have to look at these guys. Debugging ChatGPT. Yeah. I don't have a good enough prompt. The fixture. Scope session. If I use modulo class. Let's see if I can find session here. Browser session. Scope. Wait. So you're using Plagiaric Sync API inside the. Please use the async API. Alright, let's see. Can I just change this to async API? I don't think so. Wait. Playwright async API. Sync API, not async. Oh, here we go. Async API. Oh, it is just async API, but you also have to include async IO. Assign the async IO. Do we? There is no async IO loop. I don't know. I feel like, oh, there is. No, that's a Municondo. I feel like that's not what we want to do. I feel like it's something to do with the dependencies. Try collab. I'm gonna import. Run async stuff in a notebook. Neural hacks, what's up? Have I tried this? What's this? If you're trying to send a link on YouTube, I don't think it works. You can send it on Twitch though. Bro, I can't yell the N-word when coding, you don't know. Where would you recommend a beginner to start? I like YouTube, especially with the goal of building a web app. Yeah, I like YouTube, just YouTube tutorials. Is this what I'm trying now? I'm trying Devika but I have an issue with Playwright async. You should use the asynchronous client library. Alright, let's just try to use the async library. I mean, I'm just gonna put an A at the front of these. I really doubt this is gonna work. I tried pinging its founder on X asking for help, he didn't reply. Yeah, I I'd be surprised. Pick the code and the error to ChatGPT or Claude. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, I'll do that after this. Open Interpreter 01 is doing OS automation. I saw a demo video and it was awesome. Yeah. Oh, Open Interpreter 01? No, this isn't it. I was doing Open Interpreter's like core package, like experiments with that about, I don't know, 40 minutes to an hour ago. But I've moved on to try Devika. Because, yeah, I got a bit tired of messing with Open Interpreter. But we'll definitely be doing more Open Interpreter stuff on this channel. If you're a fan of that, make sure to sub or follow, because that is one tool I use a lot. Okay, we got a different error this time. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Alright, what's this issue? Coroutine has no attribute chromium. I feel like that's a good issue. Enable trace malloc to get. Oh no, that's. Coroutine has no attribute chromium. Coroutine was never started. Okay, I think that's good. Good error. Playwright coroutine. What? Coroutine has no attribute chromium. Yo, Rated Dog, what did you miss? Nothing too interesting. Oh, wait, that's the wrong thing I copied. Oh my god, my TikTok keeps quitting. This is what I wanted to copy. I feel like I don't have chromium. Playwright, no attribute chromium. Is that something I need to install? Yo, Dianu, thanks for the follow. Oh, you downloaded that 2000 context window model? How was it? How did it go? Make sure your pip and Python are actually working. You're running a certain amount of people. What's the name of your script? You want this. Chromium.launch headless equals false. Chromium equals p.chromium.launch. Self.playwright equals that.start. Okay. Self.playwright. .chromium.launch. Yeah, that seems fine. New page. Or another way. Okay, that seemed fine. Self.playwright chromium. We can log this, I guess. Let's go print. I think you go print dir self.playwright. And this way we'll at least see if maybe we could use something that's not chromium. Why would chromium be missing? Do we need to download that? Some issue with playwright. Just took ages to load. Doesn't seem too different to any of the others, to be honest. Okay. Well, the main difference should be that like it can consider a lot more context. But I guess if the actual model isn't very smart, then it's kind of hard to even test that. All right, let's see what we get here. Yo, JW, what's up? AS, what's up? Yeah, I'm streaming off my phone on my MacBook just to get the maximum usage out of my computer. Even though this stream I didn't do any local things, so it was kind of a waste. Okay, this is what we have in the Playwright model. There's no chromium. Let me... I feel like maybe we need to wait for this to load or something. Because... async. Async. Yeah, we need to do async like this. That's annoying. Super annoying. I think that's a lot more changes. I don't know. I don't really want to debug this much further, to be honest. This is Devika, by the way, guys. Devika, where's the project? Oh yeah, here. What was the back? The back end was in Python. But yeah, we had issues with it. Unfortunately, it's a shame. But I have faith. I think they're getting better. So give it like a few days to a week, and it'll be even better. Ugh. That was tiring. Run Playwright, install Debs Chromium. Yeah. I don't think that's the issue. I think the issue is the async. Actually, did we do Playwright install? Like, should I be getting some output from Playwright install Debs? Because it's just nothing. What if I wrote like some garbage browser like this? Well, will it give me anything? Oh, nice. Okay. That's good. That's good that it's doing that. Playwright, install Chromium. Alright, we've done all the install combinations. I'll try it again. OpenDevin doesn't even claim to have a browser. That's kind of the point that I'm interested in, is having the browser. OpenDevin hasn't implemented that feature yet. Devika claims they have, but you know, it's not working very well. Let's go chat 8. Raider has literally 0 success trying to get OpenInterpreter to work on a local model. Oh, really? Still? Have you updated OpenInterpreter to the latest package? Adarsh, yo, what's up? Yep, same issue here. Let me reset the async stuff back to sync. See if that changes anything. I doubt it. Am I using React? I'm not sure what the front end is in this. I didn't write this project, by the way. Could be React. Okay, the beaker is up and running. Let's try that again. For the final time. Come on. Come on. Wait, it's stuck even earlier. Oh, we're using GPT-4 this time. That's probably why it's slower. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, here it comes. It's trying to browse the internet. And moment of truth. Moment of truth. It's a bit slower with GPT-4. Oh? Oh no, it still hasn't browsed. Wait. Oh shit. No way! It did it, guys! Hell yeah! Look, it's actually gone to a location here. This is the browser actually working. It's obviously the wrong site. Like it's trying to go on the platform. Okay, no, this would work. Agent completed the task. I've completed the task. If you'd like to do anything, let me know. Wait, what? It full wrote the file? Wait, what? Editing the README. Wait, it finished the whole thing? Can we see this in the workspace? What the? That was so fast. There's no workspace. UI, benchmarks, data, DB logs, projects? Nope. UI, screenshots, projects, PDFs, logs, DB data, projects. Oh, here we go. Chat Elite. README. So it did actually write files. That's crazy. Dude, finally we got Devika working. I wasn't expecting that to work. This is a simple Flask application that integrates with OpenAI's GPT-4 to provide a conversational AI experience. Okay, let's have a look at their code. Did they write the correct code? Oh, they're using a curl request. Interesting. That's pretty cool, actually. Let's, should we try run it? I'm going to put in my API key and I'm going to try run it. I don't think it'll work, but just the fact that it got the browser, even though the browser went to a wrong site and it didn't say anything about that, and then somehow created the files without it telling me in the chat. It's still, still progress. So I'm going to put my API key here and see what happens when I run this. Okay, oh shit, hope you didn't see that. Can I open this in terminal? Open in terminal. Sick. So, let's just come to create test environment. Do I already have a test environment? I don't. Potato, yo, Mishka, what's up? What else we got in here? Test Tinders, yeah, thank you. I guess maybe it's because I didn't specify Chromium before. Because I did do install deps, playwright install deps a lot. But yeah, thank you so much for the suggestion. I guess your suggestion is what made the difference. I think it might also be because I removed the playwright, the PyTest playwright package, but then I didn't run the install again. That could have been it as well. Okay, conda activate test and pip install requirements. Nope. No search file. Oh, requirements.txt. Oh, we're not even in the right chat 9. Pivot store requirements. Okay, let's go. I'll be really surprised if this works. Oh, if we might? Okay. It didn't work. But it say cannot import URL code from URLs. The hell? Can we ask it to debug it? There is an error from the app. Debug it. Will it debug the app? To address your error, I will need specific details. Could you describe the issue? Okay. I'm just gonna give it my error. Even though it should have done that by itself. That's okay. Error you're encountering is to do with works URLs. Run pip install upgrade flask works zig. Why doesn't it do it for me? Run the command in terminal. Does it not have a terminal? What is this? This should be its terminal. I've executed that in terminal. This should revise. Okay. No. Okay. Why isn't this terminal what we want? You guys can't see that. Oh well, I mean, this is the furthest we've gotten with Devika. Let's just try a new project with it. Let me refresh this. So apparently it can clone GitHub repositories and maybe run them. So let's see, like, if we can find a trending repository. Well, they've made a voice craft. With weights? Wait, what? Surely this is an OpenAI voice craft. Zero-shot speech editing. Text-to-speech in the web. Open Devon. I want something like small. Yo, ChatDev. What's the latest with ChatDev actually? Oh, let me look at their releases. Co-learning to learn from previous trials. Web spider module to pass wiki information. It's pretty cool. What about the other ones? Online log, Docker support. I'm straining my eyes here. I think I should end this stream. Could you tell me some open source speech to text models? There's one that I thought was good. Hold on, what was it called? It was like real time. Did I save it here? Yeah, by ColJB. ColJB real time speech to text. I mean, there's so many, but this one I thought was pretty good. But yeah, guys, I'm slowly deteriorating, so I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you for watching, and yeah, let's have a recap, shall we? Recap. Where was the... open the file. Hold up. AJOI. Notes. Here we go. Here's the notes that I had from the start. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. So my first plan was to get Open Interpreter to extend my profile. This went poorly. Created code with errors. And another issue I had is like sometimes it would say what to do with code examples, but we wouldn't then get the opportunity to run the code. We also tried to improve the web browsing capabilities. Pretty much I wanted to see if we could maintain a Chrome session, like the cookies and the auth from my actual Chrome session in a Selenium session. Some people on the internet said you could just copy the profile over. And so like ChatGPT agreed with that. We tried it. Didn't look like it worked. So I mean, I didn't spend too long on it, but I don't think you can. Like I haven't seen anyone else do it. Third, we tried to get Devika running. And yeah, after much debugging, we actually got it to use Playwright to browse to a website. But actually, I don't know, now that I think about it, OpenAI blocked the web browsing because it looked like a bot. Like if you rewind where it showed with a web browsing window, it was actually blocked. So that kind of proves my hypothesis that using Selenium and Playwright and Beautiful Soup and these libraries that like browse the internet through code is just not a good long-term solution, because a lot of these websites are blocking this type of traffic. So we need a Chrome extension, that's what I'm saying. So I think Multion or an open source one like Clickless Cage could be the go-to. Try with GitHub. I wanted it to go to GitHub. GitHub's probably more lenient, but yeah. I mean, it's just like, just because one website works doesn't mean we just ignore half of the internet. Like, we should have better tools. But yeah, they're still very buggy with Devika. Still very buggy with Devika, and it has the same issue where it doesn't actually run or do work. It just says how to do it. So this is like another issue that's prevalent with a lot of these AI tools, is they come up with a plan, but the actual tool itself isn't able to execute on that plan, or sometimes the LLM is the issue, is the culprit, and they say they can't execute anything. So yeah. That's a summary, guys. I hope you enjoyed this stream. I'm going to leave this up for a minute or two, so when I come back and watch the VOD, we can see. I'm going to do this every stream, just have like a conclusion page. Oh, and this was some stuff that we don't want to see. What's the date? 1 of the 04/2024's stream conclusions. But yeah, thanks so much, guys, for watching. I think that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.